In this video, I will show you how to find saved reels on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now first, we will save some of the reels so that I can show you where exactly you can find those saved reels. To do that, on the bottom bar, tap video. Now go to Reels section and we will just find some of the reels. Let's say I want to save this reel, so I will tap on three dots and then tap on Save Video. Now this reel is saved. Now go back. Now on your feed, tap on menu icon located at the bottom right side. Now tap on your name at the top. Now about details, you will find an option videos. Just tap on it. Here you will find options like saved and liked. Tap saved. And as you can see, here are the reels that I have saved. So this is the reel that we just saved on our Facebook app. You can open the reel and rewatch it. So that is how you can find saved reels on Facebook. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.